has offered British military bases on Iraqi ships. Prompted a rebuke from the Iranian foreign minister. He suggested the majority of the British people want no part of the war, and he quote, Iran will exercise its right. President Trump after the move by saying enrichment facility right by Israel in state media for energy agency to Iran's underground uranium enrichment plant at the top of the security shutdown and immigration of closure or national court. And the mess.
Hey, good morning, Tom. And we're nearly 5 weeks into this partial government shutdown, and DHS is seeing significant